a lot of people don't have much experience with Land Rovers, so this is quite a good little tutorial video really. As you can see, some Land Rovers don't have their ignition barrel. They start in a completely different way, especially these older ones, because you don't need a key for the older ones. So you just flip a little switch to say the ignition to be on, and all you've got to do, it's quite interesting, is you get the brake and clutch pedal. See, if you do one at a time, it doesn't work, but if you do both of them together, it starts it up straight away. It's just it's really different. It's really different. Safe though. Such a safe way of doing it. Maybe that's why they've done it, because you don't need a key because it's like a farm vehicle, and yeah, so it's safe because you're not going to drive off with the clutch and braking while starting it up if it's in gear. So yeah, really good. I just want to share that because it's quite different. It's quite different to a normal truck if you're not used to Land Rovers. It's just a 300 TDI. Defender 110. Really nice vehicle.